morning to everyone. So welcome to our experiment. So are you able to stack up liquids? You are able to stack up things, objects such as your books, and books, your wallets, anything. But are you able to stack up liquids? Yes, you can. But with a legal understanding, you can too. And the secret science here is called as density. So this density has a magical power to identify what substance it is by just using the density. What is density? It is related to the mass of an object and its volume. And so, let's say an example of submarine. How do you think submarine moves water when it's too heavy? It is filled with special tanks called as the ballast tanks. The ballast tanks are filled with air when they want to come up with the surface of the water. And when they want to dive in, the ballast tank is filled up with water. And so this shows that water is denser than air. Hi, so the materials and apparatus needed are, you need a jar, you need honey, corn syrup, dishwash, water, baby oil, milk and lamp oil.
We'll be explaining about how to do this experiment. So there are 7 solutions. First is honey, second is corn syrup, third is dish soap, fourth is water, but we have used coloring to differentiate between baby oil and water. So this one is baby oil, this is milk, and last this is lamp oil. First I'm starting off with honey. So you must pour it slowly and you should not touch the side of the container. Okay, so after honey I'm going to use corn syrup. So same goes for this, it should not touch the side of the container. Pour it slowly and evenly. Okay, so the third solution is dish soap. Pour it slowly. Okay, so the fourth solution is water. We have used food coloring to differentiate between baby oil and water, and water should touch the side of the container and it's a must. So the fifth solution is baby oil. So as I said, it should touch the side of the container. Okay, the sixth solution is milk. Use the side of the container. Solution is lamp oil. Pour it slowly. So lamp oil is flammable. So do this from any open flames. It's flammable. This is the last solution. So this is 7 layers density column.
We're explaining about the expected result that has been obtained. So the first layer would be the baby oil, and then would be the lamp oil, and then the dishwash soap, the milk, the corn syrup, and also the honey. So we didn't really expect the milk to be at the bottom. It was supposed to be on top of the dishwash. So it is like more dense now. So the most dense now would be the honey, and then the least dense would be the baby oil. The lamp oil was also supposed to be the least dense, but then we expected it up, but then now it has gone down below the baby oil.
So we expected something else and the result we obtained was something else. So that is what we're going to discuss about. So basically what we expected from the result was the most dense will be the honey, and then followed by the corn syrup, dishwash soap, milk, water, baby oil, and lamp oil at the top of the other layers. But then what we obtained was totally different than what we expected. So the final result that have been obtained from the experiment was the most dense was the same as its honey, and then followed by corn syrup, water, milk, dishwash soap, and then lamp oil, and then the least dense is baby oil. So that is what we obtained from the experiment. So why is baby oil is at the top of other layers? Is because the baby oil has least dense compared to other liquids like lamp oil, dishwash soap, milk, water, and also corn syrup together with honey. Okay, so honey compared to other liquids are most dense. It is all due to the mass and also volume. Even though the volume was all evenly poured, but each and every liquid's mass will be different. So that is what differentiates the density of the liquids. So that is most importantly that we need to discuss in this experiment. So thank you.
Hi guys, now we're at the end of the video. In short, what is density? Density is a measure of how much mass is contained in a given unit volume. So the equation for density is mass divided by volume. If a mass is a measure of how much stuff there is in an object or liquid, then density is a measure of how tightly that stuff is packed together. Based on this density equation, if the weight or mass of something increases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go up. Likewise, if the mass decreases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go down. Lighter liquids like water or rubbing alcohol are less dense or have less stuff packed into them than heavier liquids like honey or corn syrup. Every liquid has a density number associated with it. Water, for example, has a density of 1.0 grams per cubic centimeter. The 7 different solutions that we use also have their own densities, and that is how we finally got the results of 7-layer column. The denser liquid sinks while the less dense liquid floats, producing different layers in a single container.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.